How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to fix some quarantine air fried chicken. I'm calling all the food I fixed quarantine cuisine because we on lockdown because of Rona. So, this is quarantine food. I wish people would stay in the house and quit spreading it everywhere. Okay, here's the chicken. I have washed, cut, and marinated my wings and vacuum sealed it. So it's going to cook faster than it normally would. Anytime you marinate meats, it cooks a little bit faster. So I have portioned this out so we don't eat so much, since we can't go to the store and buy nothing. So I got 3 wings and a piece in each bag. So all this will fit in the air fryer. I'll be using my breader shaker bowl. I'll leave the link for this in the description box, but right now on Amazon, this thing is $20, and I think that's too much. I wouldn't pay over $13.95. It'll go down in price. I'll be using my LICKIN chicken crack. This is my favorite flavor. It has more garlic and pepper than the original chicken crack. So this is my personal favorite. So, right now I'm preheating my air fryer. Oops. I washed it and I didn't dry it. I just preheated and let it dry like that. Good and dry. So, that's the noise you heard. So I'll be putting my I don't know if I need all of it or not. I'm going to use all of it. I love how it's packaged up in the this nice plastic resealable package. So once again, it's LICKIN Chicken from www.chickencrack.com. Okay, so I'm going to snip this bag open. I'll cut the wing tips off. Read it quite nicely. You don't want to pile too much in there at one time. So I'm going to shake the excess. I'm going to shake the excess off. I'm being careful not to let my arm or my wrist touch the side of this air fryer basket, because I can get a burn. To get nice crispy air fried chicken, after you wash your chicken, Well, some people don't even wash their chicken. They take it straight out the pack, but I wash mine. You wash it, you paper towel dry it thoroughly. Then you start putting your, well, I use mustard, regular yellow mustard, and then my seasonings. And it is best to marinate so the flavor can go through and through. Even though the breading I use is seasoned, I like to get that initial flavor from the breading, and then when I bite the chicken itself, that's seasoned too. Okay, I did use all this breading. Okay, breads nicely. And I'm not going to flip the chicken. So this is enough chicken for us. I'm trying to arrange it so it'll fit without overlapping. That's another thing, don't overlap your chicken, because it's not going to cook right. It'll cook, but it won't cook right. Okay. Oh, I got spray. I'm using olive oil. I put olive oil in here, so this is my Evo oil sprayer. I'm making sure I'm spraying every piece. And this is still less oil than I would use if I were deep frying it, which y'all already know. That's how it looks. Bring this out. And I have it sitting on, this air fryer sitting on the nifty rolling countertop tray. And I'll put the link for that. And I'm using my 5.8 quart Cosori air fryer. Okay, let me stop that. Turn it on, put on the chicken setting. But I want it to cook for at 400. Y'all see the temp, I'm changing it to. And I want it to cook for maybe 22 minutes. So 21 minutes is fine. Since it's going to cook faster since I did marinate it. So I will be back. And like I said, I'm not going to turn the chicken. Don't have to with the Cosori. Okay. See you later. Okay, I'm getting ready to take the flats out of here. Still got 3 minutes left, and I'm taking these flats out of here. That's how it looks. Make sure about the big drumettes. Those two stuck together. I didn't flip them. Okay, this got stuck to the basket. Another flat. See how this looks on the other side. Okay, I'm gonna cook these for the rest of the 3 minutes. That's how the flats look. about to slide off the plate, y'all. And I'll be a dog today. So I'll be all up on that floor getting my chicken. So I'm gonna wait for the rest of these drumettes to cook. I'm gonna end this now. I wanna thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. And stay safe by staying inside, so you don't catch nothing and you don't spread nothing. I'm so ready to eat. I got my little basket ready with my bread in it. What I want to put on it today. You know what? I got something. Let me show y'all. I'm going to use some of this chamoy. This is, I think it's for Mexicans. They put it on fruit. I'm going to put some on my chicken because it has like a slightly spicy, vinegary, lime tasting, kind of a hint of sweetness. It's good. I've only used a little bit, but it's good. It's called chamoy. I guess that's how you say it. That's how I say it. I got it from Amazon. Okay, this stuff is ready. I'm going to take these out and then I'll be back. Okay, this is how my chicken looks. Okay, I'm going to taste the piece. What piece I want? How the back looks. I didn't flip them. I'll put some chamoy on it. A little bit. All it needs a little. Shake it up good. I don't know how people put this on fruit. I can't see it. You can't see me. With good flavor. I already know that the licking chicken crack tastes good. The chicken tastes good with the chamoy on here. Let me tell y'all what's in it. Tamarind pulp, red peppers, corn syrup, iodized salt, dehydrated lime juice, vinegar, citric acid, xanthan gum, sodium benzoate. So, you got lime, you got red peppers, you got corn syrup, that's the sweetness, the little bit of sweetness, and see vinegar. Oh, okay. Thanks for watching, and you all be very blessed.